Last trading day of the week and we are bucking the trend for a change. Indian markets of late have done much better than other global markets, and today that is really visible. There's a stark outperformance in the Nifty, 25 points up, and for the Sensex also. It is not a triple digit start but a very respectable start. 83 points up for the Sensex now. Sri Renuka will be under pressure because open offer will be triggered much lower than yesterday's closing price. 20.7 for Sri Renuka. The stock is coming under pressure, and give and take has already started because those who bought the stock with the assumption that they would get a event pop or a news swap, surely they are in for a disappointment. Let's look at other stocks now. Infosys yesterday corrected, and Infosys corrected very strongly. It took a knock of about 48 rupees. That one is bouncing back 35 points, 35 rupees off for Infosys. You've got strong and constructive price action, which is clearly visible in TCS. And if I map what Reliance is doing, Reliance clearly is still the big underperformer. 806 for Reliance. In terms of the mid-cap gainers, yesterday there was smart and very decent price action in Persistent, Mindtree, and then Tata Elxsi. I want to revisit those three names. Persistent 1054, Mindtree 1700 now, and Tata Elxsi is at 502. Whereas Lupin and Dr. Reddy, 2 stars, which hit an all-time high yesterday. That's Dr. Reddy for you. There is follow-up buying for Dr. Reddy, and Lupin also not bad at 940.
Take a look at JP Associates. Remember, the JP group of stocks held out very smartly in trade yesterday, and that trend clearly continues, at least for JP Associates, which is now up by about almost 2% and still climbing higher. What about JP Power? Let's quickly revisit that one as well. That too has had a positive start, and it, or rather the buzz has resurfaced, I should say, that Ultratech Cement is now looking to buy JP's cement business in Himachal Pradesh, and this time it's the Mint which has reported that. So yes, that is one stock which is in focus. Adani Port, they won the Ennore Container Terminal project. So Adani Ports has started off with a good 1% higher. That's the stock in focus. Bharti as well continues to be in news. Watch out for what Bharti does after the sharp correction yesterday. Today the stock has had a flat start. I just want to see what the Bank Nifty is up to, because yesterday we shaved off a fair bit, and the one reason that the market pulled below the 6100 mark was the Bank Nifty, and today the futures have started off with an uptick of about almost 0.5% or so. JP Associates, Infosys, IndusInd Bank, TCS, Tata Motors and ICICI Bank are your winners in trade right now, and there's some weakness from Ambuja, Ultratech and ACC. So cement as a sector seems to be at the lowest end right now. 7 million shares have already exchanged hands in Sri Renuka. That is the top traded counter, but on expected lines, because the open offer will be triggered at a much lower price than yesterday's close. The stock is correcting, and this is pure event reaction which is visible. So that's the big one to monitor, and that really is the top story. Meanwhile, Tata Steel is marching towards 370. Look at that one. Metal stocks of late have been under pressure because of China problem, but today Tata Steel seems to be bucking the trend.